everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. I'm here to present to you my finished Autumn Arrived Junk Journal Folio. This is my design team project for Nathalie of LineDotArrow using her beautiful digital kit Autumn Arrived. The size of this junk journal folio is 8.5 by 5 inches. There are plenty of tags, ephemera, and tucks and pockets. But this also comes with one signature, so there's plenty of space for journaling and for adding more decorations. I love all the butterflies and the mushrooms, and you can see this little girl here. She's beautiful. It was so much fun putting everything together and creating this project. So I hope that you like this, and I hope that you stay till the end of this video because this is just a short flip through. And I would love to know what you think about this project. So your feedback is very much appreciated. Okay, so let's do this. The closure is a cotton fabric. This is not attached to the cover, so it can easily be replaced. And this is a very nice brown color. I also use this material to cover my spine and also to decorate some edges. This fabric is also beautiful, nice fall colors, and I have some edges decorated with this material as well. The spine is only 1/2 inch, and this junk journal folio has one signature. So this is the cover. I love all the images. This girl is very pretty, and this image, the picture and the frame is fabulous. And then this is also a pocket. The title of my junk journal folio is Autumn Arrived, and these words are from the kit. And again, this is a pocket. The back of my tags and ephemera are all blank for writing opportunities. This receipt is from my stash. And look how pretty these images are. They're always very cute, and the mushrooms really fabulous. So this is a fussy cut butterfly, and this is a pocket. This is the back. Fussy cut mushrooms and butterflies. This is a pocket. The tag is also from the kit. I love everything here. I just added a seam binding, which is available in my Etsy shop. Okay, so I'll do the flip through now. I'll play some music and then I'll be back shortly. you go, everyone. This is my Autumn Arrive Junk Journal Folio. I hope that you like this. Please provide some feedback and leave me some comments down below. And if you're interested in this journal, it will be listed in my Etsy shop. I will provide the link in my description. Also, the link of the Autumn Arrive Digital Kit by Nathalie of LineDotArrow will be in my description. So there you go again. Thank you so much for all your support. Thank you for staying and for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and please support my work. Thank you so much again. God bless you. Bye now. Till next time.